Hello everyone, my name is Daniel from Information World Tech. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a website from scratch using WordPress. I intentionally made this video tutorial for beginners. So if you want to create a website, all you need is your hosting and domain. Yes, so just stay tuned and learn how to create your professional website. Hello guys, if you want to start a WordPress blog website the right way, this video will help you. So I know starting a blog website can be a terrifying thought, especially when you are not geeky, right? So I decided to create a video tutorial, create the most comprehensive guide on this tutorial for beginners, all right, without any technical knowledge, right? So the process is easy to follow whether you are 20 years old or 60 years old. However, if you need help, okay, our tech is full of experts, all right? So our team of experts will help you set up your blog for free, right? So what do you need to start a WordPress blog? What do you need to start a WordPress blog? Well, basically there are three things you need to start a WordPress blog. Okay, what you need is your domain name ID. What is domain name ID? This will be the name of your blog, all right? For example, www.beautyisblessing.com, right? And the second, you need a web hosting account. This is where your website lives on the internet. Without hosting, domain cannot function, but mostly hosting companies provides domain, right? So you don't need to be worried about that. And the last thing we're gonna talk about is your undivided attention. Your undivided attention for about 1 hour or 30 minutes. Yes, because if you don't get much time for this, I bet you can never learn it successfully. Okay, you cannot learn it well, right? So what do we need? Right, what do you need? These are the basic these three are the basic needs that we need to start a WordPress blog. In this lesson, I will show you how to buy your domain and hosting, but I have already purchased mine. So this is the process. If you wanna start a WordPress with your with the best hosting provider company, I recommend Bluehost. Okay, Bluehost is best for WordPress, right? Bluehost is best for WordPress. Now I have my Bluehost server, but because you are a beginner, Bluehost is very expensive. Okay, but because you are a beginner and you are starting, if you are having about $30, you can start everything successfully. So I recommend you buying the domain from Namecheap. Okay, Namecheap. So Namecheap is a hosting company, right, and domain providing company. So, and also there are many hosting companies out there on the market, on the internet, right? So when you open this website, just type your domain name, okay? The domain, the name that you would give to your website. For example, ours is gonna be beautyisblessing.com. You are buying .com domain, okay? Alright, then you click on the search button. Same happens to all hosting companies. When you open your website, just enter the name. Okay, I have my Bluehost server there, but I wanna buy it from here because of this tutorial. Right, this is your first time. If this is your first time creating your website, I recommend you using Namecheap. But if you have enough money, then you can go on ahead to proceed to purchase from Bluehost, right? So Beauty is Blessing. Oh, sorry, typing mistake there, but no problem. So you click on add to cart. You can purchase it using your credit card, right? My fellow Ghanaians, there are many hosting companies in Ghana, but I recommend you using Namecheap, all right? Yes, but if you are having let's say 100 Ghana cedis, you can purchase your hosting from Nakrotech. Yes, Nakrotech. The CEO is my friend, so I just want to advertise for him. Okay. All right, so this is my current. Okay, this is the cart. Okay, the amount in the cart, that total subtotal is $7.16, right? So every year you're gonna pay $6.98, okay, and retail. So finally you pay $8.88 per year, right? So click on the checkout button. So with this, there's no hosting account, all right? So what you do is add hosting. Without hosting, as I already said, without hosting, you cannot work with the domain only, right? You cannot work with the domain. And who is God? Mark it up here. I'll explain this later. Our plan is 1 year plan, right? Auto renew, you can choose to mark it on. So web hosting, we don't have web hosting. Well, Namecheap offer you the great packages, right? Host up to 3 websites with this package. You can host up to 3 websites. Yes, that I think that is the starter plan. Enjoy 20 gigabytes of storage with free website builder, cPanel and WordPress. So click on the add cart button, right? This is free. If you can choose, if you like it, you can choose to add. And I saw one. Okay, no, that is the email. Yes, email hosting. Now you're gonna positive SSL. SSL is just a security. For example, if you go to my website iwilltext.com, iwilltext, just click on the first link, iwilltext.com. You will see a padlock, meaning that the website is very secure. As you can see here, connection is secure, right? So what we're gonna do is you can click on this, but Bluehost, I've been buying packages from Bluehost, yeah, but what we're gonna do is um Namecheap, actually they give you free positive SSL for a year, right? So you don't need to worry about that. Okay, you can click on the learn more button. Yeah, this is the Stellar package. You are buying the Stellar package, and we have the Stellar Plus, and we have on cloud Stellar Business, right? But I recommend you choosing this, right? The Stellar package. That's 20 websites, 20 gigabytes storage. That's solid state. It is not hard disk, solid state drive. It is much faster than hard disk. Okay, yes. Unlimited SSD. Yes, if you have enough money, then you can purchase this. Yeah, okay, let me scroll down. All plans also include these benefits. So when you buy any of their plans, unlimited bandwidth or unlimited bandwidth, free website builder, free automatic SSL installation, okay, and they give you 30-day money back guarantee, meaning that when you test their service for about a month, you can choose not to use it again. They will reverse your money to you, okay. Right, so once you buy your domain, so the total is $24.44. You click on the view cart. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description. Whilst you are watching this video, please subscribe, like, and share the video, okay. So web hosting, we've added web hosting to our package. Confirm order. Click here to confirm the order. Right, the next thing we're gonna do is, if you already have an account, just log in. But for sake of this tutorial, you click on the sign up. We fill in the sign up fields, okay. So let's say the username is gonna be beauty is blessing, because it is the domain that we're gonna work with. The password, you can click here to suggest, but I don't recommend this, because this is very strong, although, but you may forget, right? So enter your password, blah 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 blah, okay. Enter your password, make sure they are the same, okay. Yes, then you enter your first name, fill in everything. So when you get stuck anyway, just comment below, okay. So after purchasing this package, they will send you an email, right? I purchased this domain for about a month ago. Yeah, a month ago. So Namecheap will send you a receipt, okay. So I bought mine for $26 with this credit card ending in 7619, right? So here's the subtotal, right? Here's the subtotal. Yes, Stellar for beautyisblessing.com. Free who is God? Who is God? I'll explain this later, alright? I'll make a video. I will make a separate video on this. So you keep this safe. Okay, you can either print it so that you keep it safe, right? But no need Namecheap hosting. So once you purchase their package, they will send you email. I mean your hosting package details, right? Yeah, so you click on this start date. That was on 1st June 2020. Yes. So these are their name servers. You can change this at any time you want. If you want to transfer to different hosting company or provider. So cPanel details. First of all, you will learn how to install WordPress. Yes. So if you want to install WordPress, after they've sent you the email, here's the link that you're gonna follow so that you can install WordPress, right? So click here, proceed. So once we wait while it is loading, okay, here's the cPanel, right? So we are logging into our cPanel. This is the username they sent, right? They will send you everything: cPanel username and cPanel password, but you can change it anytime you want, right? So click on the login button to log in. Login successful, redirecting. So we are in the cPanel, guys. So what we will do next is click on the Software Plus Apps Installer. Yes, what is Software Plus Apps Installer? Well, it contains all the CMSs, alright? It contains all the CMS that you need to install. It includes WordPress, it includes Magento, OpenCart, AbantiCart, and everything, BBPress or whatever you can think of. It is here. So here is it. Here are the number of applications that we need to install, right? These are the top scripts, right? We have Laravel, Dolphin, PHP 7 CMS, and blah 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 blah. So our preferable one is the WordPress. So you're gonna install WordPress. So click on the install button. Okay. Once you click on the install button, the current or the latest version of WordPress is version 4.5, version 4 5.4.2. So by default, Namecheap will update it. Okay. And installation URL. This is where your domain. Okay. This is the installation to the domain, right? So you can choose, but our website is already secured with HTTPS protocol, right? Yes, as it is detecting. Now beauty's blessing, we can add subdomain. If there have been a subdomain or another domain on mine hosting account, you see all the email all the domain listed here, right? And in directory, leave it empty, else it will be something like this: https beautysblessing.com slash blah blah blah. But we don't like it in this way. Leave it empty. Blog, the site name is gonna be beauty is blessing, right? Let's say the site description is gonna be where beauty lies, right? Okay, I'll delete this. Right, then take care of this very well, okay, because it's the admin page. All right, if you want to log into your WordPress dashboard, you're gonna use this username and password, so keep it secure. Beauty is blessing. And change the password. If you like it, you can do so. Okay, and here is the admin email. You will change this to info because I already have the the email address there. Okay, I'll show you how to buy your how to set up your email account, don't worry. Then if you want to do more advanced options, if you want to see more advanced options, you can click here. Change your database name, change your table prefix, but I like the same way that it has been arranged, though no changes more. Okay, click on the, and here you can enter any email address so that they will send installation details to you. right? But I don't like it. Click on the install button without wasting much time. So WordPress has been installed successfully, right? So what we're gonna do is just go to the domain, and if you wanna log into your your website, this is how it goes. www.beautyisblessing, no, this is not subdomain, so beautyisblessing.com/wp-admin. Okay, else you can see it here. You can just click right from here, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is, this is the page. All right, hello world is the first post. Now we're gonna change it, right? Where beauty lies is the description, blah blah blah. So now what we're gonna do next is set up the website permalink. Okay, the permalink is the post address, right? The URL to that post. As you can see that we have 2020-0624, that's the date. Hello world plus the post name. This is not recommended for search engine optimization. Okay, I'll do a separate video on search engine optimization for beginners, right? So first thing, what you need to do is just click on the settings, go to permalinks. We have to change this first, and note this: if you change the permalink, okay, after changing it, you will not see something like this. You will not see the date in this again, okay, in the URL, right? So when you change it and you send this link to your friend, he or she will see a 404 error page, meaning that page is missing. So that's why I'm recommending you to use what I'm gonna show you, that the custom structure. All right, so let's delete this, let's arrange this. So this is how our post will be: beautyisblessing.com slash so category. All right, we need a category. All right, so category. Sometimes you may see let's say iotext.com slash android slash the post name, right? So category, post name, then we save this. Okay, save this. You don't need to change this. Leave it empty, save this. If you wanna enter your category page, you can do so. Right now you've saved this. Now let's try to refresh this page and see what happens. Uncategorized, as you can see, because this post has not been categorized. By default, WordPress use the uncategorized as their default category when you don't have any category set. Right, now let's go to the general, because we have to change okay, there's the website title. If you are familiar with HTML, you know what a title of a website is. It just appears on the tab of your page. Okay, for example, I have some couple of codes here. Let me show you. Okay, this was a calculator that I was doing. So now what we will do here is, okay, let me create a new tab now. Type my doc type HTML. Well guys, so this is the HTML code. So let's save this on our desktop. Let's save this on our desktop as index.html. Okay, desktop index.html. So let's try to run this. Okay, let's choose from the desktop right away. Now as you can see, my website is the title of our website, okay, of this page. So WordPress tutorial, I just use the h1 tag for this. Now if you see this source code, if you watch this code, you see my website as the title of the page I created now. So same happens to WordPress. If you want to change, you can change it. And the tagline is here, as you can see now. The tagline is just the description, okay, right? Then WordPress, don't change anything here. And administrative URL or email is info@beautyisblessing. I will show you how to create your email address, don't worry. Now if you wanna add any user to your website, by default WordPress sets as a subscriber, but if you wanna make that person administrator, but don't change this, okay? You can change it anytime you want. Then date format, leave everything same, okay? Save, click on save changes, because we did nothing here. We did nothing here. Now the next thing we're gonna do is change the appearance of our website. As you can see, this is not nice, okay? This is not nice, so we're gonna install a theme. So if you wanna install a theme, I recommend one best place to purchase your WordPress theme. That's the Kodikayon or the theme forest or the template market, okay? Or there are many markets on the internet that you can purchase WordPress theme, but the most recommended one is the theme forest. They are the same as the Kodikayon, okay? Kodikayon. Sometimes they call them Evanto Market or whatever. Yes, I am author at Evanto Market. I sell scripts here. So I'll show you. I'll put my link in the description of the video so that you can purchase any uh, script that you want. Wow, this theme has been reduced discount, right? That's the journal news. All right, okay, so the theme that we're gonna search for is newspaper. Yeah, newspaper. So type newspaper. Newspaper 10 is the current one. Newspaper is the current one, is the current theme. Okay, newspaper 10 is the current theme. There are many plugins here, and click on blog or magazine. So you can see that, okay, this is the newspaper X. Yeah, the tag they've in news. Okay, they've reduced the price. At first it was $59. So if you get this discount, then you are good to go. You can see that with this theme, there are demos in it. You see COVID-19 themes in this plugin, in this theme, okay, right? You can take a look of it. The live preview is there. Now see how it is. There are many demos, so I already purchased the theme, so I'll upload it on my Google Drive so that you guys can download. The purchase code is in it and everything is in it. So the first 3 people who watch this video will get this opportunity, right? So let's scroll down and browse more demos. Now as you can see, if you have your credit card or a PayPal account or what do you call it, NetTeller account, you can purchase it here. So this is the default demo. Let's view it, and we're gonna use this, the one where I was searching for, the gossip and the Romanian news. Yeah, this is the Romanian news, okay, and this is the demo page. Yeah, so after creating our website, this is how it will be. Yes, this is how it's gonna be. So as you can see, a very nice interface UI, right? Good. Now without wasting much time, let's go ahead and install this theme. So after buying this theme, templates monster, or what do you call it, theme forest will send you a mail, okay, containing your purchase code and whatever. Okay, so now click on the appearance themes. We're gonna change the theme. There are 2 ways of changing your theme. Either you go to the cPanel, okay, the file manager, right, install it right from there, or installing it straight forward in the WordPress. And the most recommended way is after installing everything, you have to delete it. You don't need to load much theme in theme in your WordPress website. Okay, so we will delete all these, but to be able to delete this, you need to log into your file manager. You need to open to your file manager. All right, so click on the add new, then let's go back. You go to the cPanel main. Okay, so here's the file manager. So click on file manager, click on upload theme. Let's go to the file manager again. So we have a folder called public_html. This is where your website lies. Okay, WP contents. Okay, themes. Then we're gonna delete this. So click on this, right? WP content, themes. Yeah, you can upload a theme here, right? We can do it. We have this method one. You click on the select file button, navigate where your theme is. My case is my desktop, and click on the new folder, newspaper 7. I'm gonna install newspaper 7. Okay, now you have to install this newspaper. Don't install the whole project. I mean this. Don't install this. But when you extract it, you see this, and this is 8.8 megabytes. As you can see, 8,882 kilobytes. So click on open. So we wait while it's uploading. Now same happens here. You can just click on the choose file, you navigate wherever it is, then you click on open. This is another method. This is the second method, but because we are doing it here, no need for us to do it here. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. As you can see, make sure you have a stable internet connection. I'm using Wi-Fi, right? Make sure the speed is fast. Make sure it's fast, right? So let's wait while it is installing, and whilst we are waiting for the installation, we can delete these themes. Okay, so after the theme has been installed, we delete these. Okay, we delete the 2019, 2017 and 2020 themes, right? So let's wait whilst it's installed. Okay, so we've successfully uploaded this theme. We have uploaded. Now click here to go back. It will direct us here, right? Now try refreshing this page and see what happens next. All you need to do is just extract the file, okay, because it is a zip file. It is a zip file, so you have to extract it, right? Themes, right? Okay, refresh the page again. You have to see the newspaper theme there. Okay, I think that's one supposed to be in the WordPress, but no problem. There are many ways to resolve this. Now we've uploaded this theme. Now let's refresh the page and see what happens in the WordPress. Okay, themes. Okay, I think this was a server error, but we can do it right away from here. Click on the add new button. This method 2. Follow these instructions carefully. Upload theme. Same procedure as we did in the previous. Now whilst it is uploading, as you can see, watch the button. Let me mark there. Okay, here's the shortcut. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, uploading 7%. Okay, when you shift the mouse pointer here, it will move to this part, as you can see. Then after choosing the file, just click on the install button, right? After choosing, you just click on here to choose your file, right? That's the newspaper.zip file. Okay, Right, so 21%, 23% upload, as you can see, guys. Right, so let me pause the video. All right, guys, installing theme from uploaded file newspaper.zip has been installed successfully, so click here to activate it. Now, as you can see, I want you to take note of something here. Watch here. We have a theme panel and activate theme. If you activate your theme, you can do much better. You can do everything that you wanna do. But without activating a theme, you may see their sticker, what do you call it? Their footer section without changing you cannot change your footer. The information on the footer section, you cannot change it. Okay, so activate the theme so that you can get access to all features, right? Okay, so you are welcome to newspaper. The first thing you're gonna do is activate our theme, and when you buy your theme from the theme forest, they give you the purchase code. As you can see, Ivanto purchase code. So where is our purchase code? Now we have to open our folder, navigate this, then you see the licenses.txt file. Okay, so these are licenses. I purchased this theme for about 3 years ago. Copy it. Can click on the you can right click, copy, or click press the control key plus C to copy. Right, then you paste it here, click on activate. If you don't want any problem, you can do this without using any node script. Okay, don't use any node script. As you can see, thank you for purchasing our team, we wish you good, blah 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 blah. Click on the OK button. Now let's see something here. Let's refresh the page. So once we've done, you have to activate the theme. Okay, you have to activate the theme. Okay, so this is the page, right? Hello world. All right, my case, I have my logo for the beauty is blessing, but we use this tutorial as, what do you call it? I'll use this tutorial for current affairs in Ghana, right? So instead of beauty's blessing, we're gonna use current in Ghana, because current in Ghana is another website of mine, right? It's another website of mine, currentinghana.com. But I was having some problems. I'll fix it out and then continue with this. Now you have nothing here. Okay, so we have to customize this page, right? Customize it. So what we're gonna do first, once we've activated our theme, we have to install the demos, right? You have to install demos. Okay, now scroll down. This is the default. You can take a look of it by clicking on the preview button. But my case, I will use the new theme, the news magazine, right? It's very nice. I don't like the default one. This is the default one, and I hate it. So this is how our website will be after installing the demo. Okay. Now as you can see, this is the one that I prefer. I prefer using this theme, this demo, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and install without wasting much time. You should include the content so that the arrangement will be how as I show you. Okay, now include the content, although the post in this specific demo will be there, right? But we will delete all the posts and categories, right? Click on the OK button. Now you patiently wait while the installation process going on, taking place. Now let's pause the video. It takes much time, but if your internet is fast, then you're gonna finish now. Yeah. right? As we wait patiently while it's installed. Okay, now we've installed the demo. Let's refresh the page and see how it will be. This is the page, right? Hello world is the first post of every WordPress by default, every WordPress website. Now, as you can see, now this beauty is blessing.com. You have to change this logo. I will use my logo for the current in Ghana, right? Now this is an error. Okay, you have to fix it. This error, this code, this line of code is in this particular demo. Okay, it is in this demo. Yeah, uh yes, it is not good for beginners to see this. Now, if you have coding knowledge, you can change this. There are many demos out here that you can install. Okay, let's use the default one. So wait, let's uninstall this first. Click on the OK button. Right, now click here to install. Alright guys, so whilst it is installing, our next step is check the permission. Detected an error. Okay, continue. Now the next step is to install the required plugins for this theme, right? Refresh this page. Alright, the error that we found, yeah, was, I think that's the uninstall of this. Okay, so let's do it again by pausing the video. Alright, so I've installed this demo. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, local news demo, right? Here is it. I changed the other one because it was giving me problems. That's the local news. Now after we've done with this, we're gonna install the required plugins for this theme, right? So we have Visual Composer, Tag Dev Social Counter. So let's click on the install button to install the Tag Dev Social Counter. Theme activated successfully. Now go back. The next thing is Visual Composer. Right, now return to Tag Dev Plugins panel. Now another important thing we're gonna do is the mobile theme, right? We have a mobile theme for this theme, right? We have mobile theme, all right, for this specific theme, right? That's the newspaper. How it will be on your mobile device or on the mobile phones, right? So what we're gonna do is install that plugin. Now go to the plugins section, plugins, add new. Right, the issue has been resolved, right guys? That's the issue. So we have to install the required plugins before those errors here will be removed. All right, so now the next thing we're gonna do is install the mobile theme for this. Okay, now click on the upload plugin, choose file, because that theme that plugin is in the purchase zip file. Okay, that's it is part of the package. So click on the mobile plugin, right? The mobile plugin, click on the install button, and then we wait while it installs. So it has to establish a secure connection, right? Right, so we've done with this. Now you have to activate the plugin. Alright, now we've installed the mobile plugin for this theme, right? Visual Composer has an update, but don't worry, we will do this later. Alright, okay, sure, yes, let's do this later. Now the first thing, the next step you're gonna do is to customize the page, right? Now as you can see, the folder is very large, very big. Okay, then the logo too, we're gonna change it, change everything. Now let's go to the theme panel. Yes, we are in the theme panel. Yeah, so this is the header tab. We have many tabs here. We have the footer, ads, template settings, categories, post settings, and everything here. Now the header style. If you want to change the header style, here's the header. This is the black theme. Okay, I don't like black. I like white. Yeah, so I can choose to use the style 11 here. Now note something here. You see these black tabs here, they are 4. This is the menu. Okay, they are the menus, right? And if you choose the arrangement, how it will be, the styles based on what you see, right, is what you get, right? Now this style 1, if you choose to use style 1, then you click on save. Now let's refresh the page and see how the style 1 will be. Now this is style 1 and this is the default one. Okay, now so I like, now let's change the white. We want the white. Okay, so let's use this. Click on the save settings, refresh the page. All right, so this is how it will be. Here is the logo and everything is here. When you scroll down, the navigation bar will not be a sticker, right? It won't stick, right? So let's use the one which will stick, right? But if you like it, you can maintain the default one. You can maintain the default one. Yeah, and everything here is set to black. Okay, uh, let's use the default one. Save settings. And the next thing we're gonna do is to change the logo, right? The logo. You're gonna change the logo. If you have your designed logo, a nice logo, you can place it there. All right. Now let's try to refresh the page again because I have already updated. Don't worry about the post. You have to post your own. You have to publish your own articles, right? Before Google can approve your website. Now we talk about AdSense later in this course. How to make money with your website. Now scroll down, click on the main menu. If you want to change something, anything here, you can do it. Mega menu preloader, that's the loading, Ajax loading, that the thing that was loading here. For example, when you scroll down to the post, then let's choose this. You see a loader here loading, the loader that was loading here. I hope you saw it. Now scroll down. As you scrolling and you click on the morph from alter. Yes, I'm talking about this thing. You can change it, reload for all or whatever, but we like the default one. Okay, yeah, sticky menu. No man, not sticky. You can change it. You can choose when it says sticky. As we are scrolling to the bottom of the page, right? As you can see, the navigation bar will stick. As you can see, guys, here is it. It has been stick, right? So even if we scroll down or top or whatever, when you scroll down, it will stick. But if you don't like it in that way, sometimes it cover your important text or what, something you may think. So you can change everything you want here, right? Now, okay, so now what you're gonna do is we don't wanna make this page not sticky. We want it to be stick, all right? That's the smart snap. So always use this if you like it, but it's nice. It is nice. Now, logo and sticky menu. If you disable this, when we scroll down, you not see the logo here, right? As we scrolling down, you not see the logo. As you can see, the breaking, this is the logo. We're gonna change the logo. Now, click on the logo in favicon. What is favicon? Favicon basically is the icon on the tab, right? As you can see, the circular WordPress logo is the favicon of the website. Now we're gonna change this. Remove. I already have my logo here, so we're gonna upload. Remove this. This is the retina logo upload. We're gonna remove this. Right, so let's upload our logo. So you have to select file, the maximum upload file. Don't worry, if the maximum file upload is not up to the 1 gig that I see here or you see here, you can change it in the php.ini file, right? I'll do a separate video tutorial on this. So click on select files. But Fatima designed me a nice logo that I'm gonna use. Now scroll down and scroll down. Let me scroll down where the logo. Current Ghana's logo, right? Here we go. Now I prefer this, so click on the download button to download right away from your Google account, right? Okay, then we're gonna upload this. Drag and drop it. Now scroll down. Because of search engine optimization, the alt attribute, okay, when you are familiar with HTML, you know what I'm talking about. The alt attribute or the alt text should match the website's name, right? That's the current in Ghana. Okay, now as you can see now, alt text. So let's type current in Ghana. All right, so enter current or in Ghana. Enter the title or the alt text. Okay, in Ghana. Let me copy this and set the title. The title will create a tooltip. When the mouse pointer is over the image, right? Click on insert into post. Now here we go. If you wanna do this simple, or to make this simple, just copy the address, okay, the link, then you post it here. The favicon, the retina upload, paste it here. Favicon, we can do it here straight, but we can use the custom. You can use the customize page. Okay, you have the page customizer. You have customizer here. You can do that here. Now scroll down. If you wanna set some size, okay, that you don't wanna show it on the favicon or the tab, you can do so. The logo attribute, we have already do that, but for search, it is useful for search engine optimization. Generally is the name of the site, right? So let's set current in Ghana, right? Logo logo title attribute, the same thing, current in Ghana. This was uppercase. Now let's change to smaller case, lowercase. Now logo for mobile, we have a logo for mobile and a logo for desktop, right? So let's use the same logo because since the same website. Now leave this empty, click on the save button and refresh the page and see how it will be. Now refresh the page. Right now, as you can see, this is the logo and this is the favicon, right? You can use the page customizer, but if you don't like it in this way, you can edit it to the maximum or to the desired, yeah, let me put it in this way, desired size. All right, so let's go to the home page, click on the logo, and you click on the logo, it will direct you to the home page, right? So this is the home page, and as all required plugins has been installed already, here you can put a video link. I'll introduce Elementor to you. Now what we're gonna do is change this logo here in a folder and also remove this widget. Now let's go and do that. And go to the further section and scroll down. You can change the style of the footer. Right, here is it. You can use this, but I like the default one. Scroll down, you have the Instagram settings. If you want to set your Instagram page for the website, you can do that. Show the further Instagram section, you can show or hide it, but default it has been hide. Now Instagram ID, if you have your Instagram ID, you can paste it there. Now if you want to do that, just comment below and I'll do that. If you want to get more followers on Instagram, you can do this by getting more followers. Right, now this is the image gap. No gap, set it to no gap. Further information content, scroll down. Let's change the logo here. Retina logo. The auto attribute is set for the blind. Okay, so current in Ghana. Title attributes, real time. I will change this time. Real time updates. Right, updates. Now scroll down. The text, you're gonna change it. Let's say current in Ghana is a website that offer you the great great news and updates. Real time. Okay, current in Ghana is the best place to get to get the latest news and updates. Current in Ghana strive to inform its followers on the trending news and updates in Ghana. And let me correct these mistakes. Office grade. Right, now let's add something a little bit. This website is managed by let's correct this. Alright, it's okay. Now let's change the email address of the site. I have already created my email address and I'll have to type it here. Info at beauty is lesson. I'll show you how to set up email account for your website and also set it up on your mobile device without logging into the webmail. Right, I prefer showing the social icon. Here are the social icon. Here we have Facebook, Twitter, we have Vicante and YouTube here. Right, okay, then we have the further background here. There's no further background set. You can choose to set it. Yes, you can choose to set it. Further background, leave it empty. I don't like. Subfooter here contains the copyright text. Right, so as you can see now, here is it. Newspaper, WordPress. Since you've purchased this theme, you have the right to change it. Right, but if you haven't activated your theme, since it is a new script, you cannot change this. You can never change this. Right, so further copyright text. Now all rights reserved. Oh, okay, reserved. Let me add 2020 here. Okay, 2020. All right, reserved. Current beauty is lesson.com. Right now, copyright symbol, save settings. Now refresh the page and see how it will be. Now the next thing we're gonna do is, once you've done with this, we're gonna change the widget, right? So go to the appearance, go to widgets, we're gonna delete that widget, right? We're gonna delete it. We're gonna delete the meta codes away. We're gonna delete that, right? Now as you can see, we're gonna delete these categories. After everything is being successful, you will see something short like this, but this one is very large, right? So you have to customize it. Newspaper for that latest news. Now scroll down. Here's the inactive widget, right? Okay, so you clear the inactive widgets, the widgets which are not currently being used, right? Now we have footer one. Here's the footer one. Let me show you. Here's the footer one, right? So we're gonna delete the archives, the categories, and the meta tags, right? Here are them. So here are those, and we delete the archive. You don't like it. You delete the categories. You don't like this too. And lastly, the meta, right? Delete this. So this is the default one. So let's maintain this. Now refresh the page and see how the folder will be. Now it is now easy to see and manage it, right? So here we go. So what we're gonna do next is delete all the categories, right, in the post. So here we do. Now click on the posts, right, categories. We're gonna delete all categories. All right, so let's delete all the categories, but due to the website how I'm creating it, we will need this too. You will need this. You can change it anytime you want, but I need the business, you need the celebrity, finance, marketing, politics. I don't need marketing. You can maintain it, but let's delete it. Let's delete everything and do everything on our own, right? Let's do everything from scratch. Delete everything. Supposing you've deleted it, how will you do it? So delete, click on apply. Perfect. Now this is uncategorized. You can never delete this, right? You can never delete it unless you customize that in the source code. Okay, so let me scroll down. Let's add a new category. But for now, so far as we've deleted the category, any post will not be under category, let's say entertainment, lifestyle, business, or whatever, right? All the posts will be under the uncategorized post, because WordPress is very intelligent in as much as that when you don't have a category or any tag on your website, it sets the default category to the uncategorized, right? So all these posts are part of the uncategorized category, right? As you can see, uncategorized. Now just check for the permalink or the URL, uncategorized. So we're gonna create our own category. Now let's get back to the post. Click on the all post. You're gonna delete every post. My first post is here and it's about Canada, Japan. Yeah, so we're gonna post this. Yeah, I just copied. No worries, just for this tutorial, right? Yeah, and I hope GH will pardon me for this. Right? So for sake of this tutorial, right? All right, now let's delete all post title. WordPress delete. We have 45 items selected, and number of published posts are 44. Now delete all. You're gonna delete or move to trash. After that, we empty our trash, okay, because we don't need these posts anymore. We don't need them. Make sure your content is original so that Google AdSense can approve your website for you and ready for AdSense. Right now, you've deleted 20 out of 20 from 44, so we have 24 published articles. Let's delete the 20 and it will left 4. So let's delete this, move to trash, apply. Now try refreshing this page. You will not see some posts. Okay, there are some posts which has been deleted. You not see them. All right, maybe this post is part. Yeah. So now this is the menu, right? These are the menus. So we're gonna delete all, right? Create our own menus. Let's delete the 4. After this, we empty our trash because we don't need this post. Very soon I'll introduce Elementor to you guys. Elementor is a page builder, right? But I don't like using the Visual Composer, right? I'll let you take a look of it. Now refresh the page. You not see any post. You see an 404 error message or page, right? Because this post doesn't exist. Page not found. Oops, error 404. Sorry, the page that you're looking for doesn't exist. So click here to go to the home page. Now, what we're gonna do? Publishing our first post. Yeah, ready? Let's get started. Now click on the add new post. Now we have nothing here. We can change this. These are called tabs. Okay. All right. You can change it anytime you want. But first of all, before posting, publishing our first post, we have to change the menu, right? You have to change the menu. But okay, the page has been loaded. Now let me go to the ghpage sites.com, ghpage.com. Now we have our first post here. Can a Japan's baby mama go crazy? Blah 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 blah. So I just copied the post from here. Okay. I hope GH page will pardon me for this, for sake of this tutorial, right? Okay, this is the current confirmed cases in Ghana and the total recovered deaths 95. Hey Ghana. Right. Now what we're gonna do is add our new post. After this, we're gonna change our menu, right? Right. So this is our first time, and this is the blog editor. Blog editor. Now enter your title of the post here, then the description here, right? So the title of the post was Kennedy Japan's baby mama goes crazy, blah 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 blah. Now let's copy this. Now copy this and enter here. Okay. Now, all right. So let's publish our first article. Okay. So let's copy this article, right? Copy, paste, and but don't copy any article from any website. Okay, write them on your own for sake of this tutorial. That's why I'm doing this, right? It is okay. Now let me maintain this, and we have something called featured post, right? A featured image. This is the featured image, right? So let's copy it. Let's save the image as JPEG, right? Right now let's upload. Now let me teach you something here. In the document tab, visibility set to public, meaning that all people can see this, everyone can see this post, right? It is not private. Now we have a post format, we have the standard, we have the video, right? So if you want to set a video from a post, you can use the post format set to video, right? You can stick to the top of the blog, right? Pending review. Now leave it empty. Permalink. Here's the link, right? It uses the page and the ID number. You change this, right? You change it in the settings. So before that, let's save it as draft. Okay. All right. Let me upload the image first. Now category. You don't have any category set. Now we will change the category because you deleted them. Now in here are the tags. For the tags, you can say politics. Now, featured image, you can drag it here right away from here, or click on a set featured image and you drag them. All these images are part of the demo that we included right during installation, so you delete them from the file manager. Just go to the file manager and refresh this page. I told you earlier that we delete all these themes, right? Public underscore HTML folder. Open this, go to wp-content. Now themes, we're gonna delete this one by one, right? Now 2020 theme, delete this too. Confirm, permanent delete, right? Delete this one, skip the trash and delete permanently. Now we have the newspaper left. Now double click on it and see how it will be. Now on app level, scroll, go to the top, uploads, choose composer 2020 06. That's the year, the month. Let's delete everything here, but before this, our logo may be in, okay? Yeah, so this is the logo, right? Logo Ghana final blah 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 blah. So I will delete all and leave that one. Okay, so select all, but I will deselect some from the post, right? Okay, let me mark them. By doing this, you can click on the shift key, go to the top level, else you can do it here. You can click on this post, delete permanents one by one, but that one I think it's boring. Okay, this is boring, this is very bored, to do. Can do it one by one, but I prefer using this method. Uploads 2020, the month of June. All right, so select, so you hold. All right, so these are the number of pictures, images I'm gonna delete. Okay, so you hold click, you would press shift then plus the arrow keys. All right, the down arrow key, right? I don't want to delete this because they are Japan's post image, right? Then we click on the delete permanently, confirm. All right, as you can see, these images are deleted. All right, so if you want to see here are the images, right? If you pause, if you refresh the page, you see some of the video images being deleted. As you can see, still deletion in progress, right? Now let's set a featured image. Still deletion is under progress. Now let's use this image and use this as the alt image. This Kennedy, Canada, Japan. Let me shut it. And I'll maintain this because it's the title attribute, right? The title attribute is when you hover your mouse pointer on that post or on that image, right? And this is the permalink, and this is the URL slug. If you change this, it won't matches the post title, but it should match it, right? So let's change this to politics, right? We don't have any category yet, but don't worry. So let's save this as draft, so that after creating our categories, we set it to it. Now let's go back to WordPress dashboard. If you refresh this page, you see nothing. You see nothing here. You see nothing because I've drafted. Draft a post means maybe if you wanna edit it in the nearby future, you can do that. So click on the categories. We're gonna add category. Alright, so we don't have any category. By default, we have the uncategorized, right? So name of the category is, the first one is news. The slug is is what you see in the URL, right? In the URL, the slug. Let me show you an example. For example, if a post is under okay, you wait, right? Let me show you a slug here. This website too doesn't use what I use. Now let me go to my Joy Online and show you something. My Joy Online. Okay. Where the slug, if this news, this will be the category, all right, the path, right? For example, if someone click on the news here, let's say business, right, it will be something like beautiesblessing.com/business, right? As you can see, guys. So let me click on the news. When I click on the news, as you can see, category news, right? But my case, I've changed the category as the primary. That was the primary slug, right? But I don't like that, so I used the name of the category instead of the category, primary category, parent category, right? So this is how it works. Okay, so news, if you can type some little description for this category, you can do it, but it is not prominent by default. Okay, right? So some things may show it as it is written here. For it is written here. Now I will leave it empty. Add new category. All right, the next category is gonna be business. Copy business, but make sure it's smaller case or lower case. All right, so add category, and the new category is politics. Copy paste, right? Save that. Add new category. The next thing is gonna be entertainment, right? Entertainment, copy paste, then first E will be lowercase, paste, and next thing is gonna be lifestyle, copy paste, because it seems like lifestyle. Add new category. It's gonna be tech, right? It's gonna be tech news, right? Tech news. And the next thing we're gonna do is world news, because it is a news website. World news. You can set a parent category for this, all right? And we have relationship. You have to plan, okay, how you're gonna do your website, how the menu is gonna be. So we have relationship here too, relationship, right? And let me see something. We have sports here, right? I will use sports because it's part of foreign affairs. Sports, current affairs, sports. Okay, so far we have more than 7 categories. Yeah, I can see that. So right now we're gonna create a new menu. So go to the menus. Here are the menu. We're gonna change this. We don't like this. We don't like travel, local news, blah blah blah, whatever. We don't like this. Oh, all right. So now let me teach you something here. We have menu locations, right? So this is the demo folder, all right? The folder menu, what it should show in the folder. Now scroll down and see how it will be. Here is the folder, right? So here are the menu that you see. Now you're gonna change it, right? You change this. Let's first change the folder, business or blah blah blah, whatever. Sometimes the folder should be something like advertise or whatever, terms and conditions. So we have advertise with us. Let me leave it empty. The URL, with the URL, I'll create a page for this advertisement. We will learn how to create page in our next episode, right? So URL, leave it empty as using a hashtag. Lifestyle, you don't like this, change this. Okay, now lifestyle, instead of lifestyle, privacy policy. All right, with this tech, change this to, and this is a custom link, right? With a tech, you say cookies, and with a travel to, you can or set a limit for yourself, right? It's not by force to use about 5 menus or whatever, but I like using what I like doing what I'm doing now, right? So the next thing you're gonna do is we have privacy policy, terms and conditions. Yes, terms and conditions, right? And here will be contact us. Remove this link and paste, use the hashtags. And here will not be buy now, it will be contact us, right? Now menu settings, auto add pages. If you want to automatically add a new top level pages to this menu, you can take this, but I don't like this. I just want this to be in the folder, right? The folder menu, that's the display location. But if you want it to be in the header menu, you can do that. Here is the header menu. Here is the header menu. This, as you can see, blog, radio, local, and bar now. But here is the main menu, right? And this is the footer menu, but we are changing it, so we set it to footer menu. But sometimes the footer menu, mostly people use the same as the header menu. As you can see here, okay, here there is no footer menu here. Sorry, the header menu. Okay, let me go to Occupy GH. Occupy GH is my favorite website for news and updates, right? occupygh.com. Okay, now block this net. Okay, so now as you can see here, okay, here is the top header menu, right? We have contact us, privacy policy, authors page, advertise, cookies, cookie policy, and sitemap, right? All right, I'll show you how to do this too, how to receive notification, but not right now. Now scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, they are same, right? So I will use the same on header menu, right? Here is the header menu, don't take it, right? And here is the header menu for mobile. Yeah, so footer menu for mobile. So take this one so that it will appear the same on mobile devices. Click on save menu and refresh the page and see how it will be. All right, now as you can see, we have advertise policy, blah 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 blah. So when you scroll down, you see the same thing here, right? So we're gonna change the main menu, right? So instead of this, you use the category for that. So change the location here. Click demo header main menu, right? And select. So whatever you do, goes to the header main, right? So here are those. We're gonna remove all, right? Instead of this, I can delete this and create a new menu. So I would permanently delete this and create a new menu, right? So we don't have a main menu for this, so we create a new menu, and select sorry, you don't have anyone, so click enter the main menu name. All right, what you're gonna use. So I prefer entering main underscore. Use underscores to separate your keywords. Main underscore navigation, right? Main navigation. Create menu. So now you select here, from here now, categories, view all, and we select all, view all, select all, add to menu, and we set the location where it should be, right? And set to header menu into brackets main for mobile devices, and header menu main, right? Okay, and let's arrange this. News will be first. You drag and drop, and we want to create a drop down menu, so news will be first. All right, we have world news. I will create another category so that we get local news, right? And we have business. With the entertainment we have music, but I'll not do that, right? So we have our tech news will be third menu. Okay, no. Politics, yeah, because Ghanaians are interested in politics. Yeah, so politics, business, entertainment, lifestyle. Let me push this. After business, we have sports, entertainment, because mostly people are interested in sport. Let's remove the uncategorized. Okay, let's remove it. Let us remove this. Now we have lifestyle, tech news. Let's leave the rest. Click on save menu and come back here. Now just spy this. We have changed this. Okay, we've changed this, as you can see, guys. So we have under news, we have world news and the politics, blah 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 blah. Okay, so with this we're gonna create a new category. Instead of category, you can create page for that. No worries. Now let's go ahead and create our new category, post categories. So we're gonna create a category called local news. Local news, right? Click on save button. Now go back to appearance, go to the menus. Perfect. Now click on categories, scroll down, you see local news, just mark it and add to the menu. Now it will be last. Okay, so add it, click on save menu, refresh the page and see how it will be. Now you see local news here, as you can see, guys, but there's no post. So now our next step is to publish that post. Okay, the one in the drafts, which I saved as draft. So as you can see, it is uncategorized. We have two ways of editing this. We have the quick edit and we have the edit. This edit is the when you click on this, you're gonna edit the full post, right? But with a quick edit, you will be restricted from some changes, like changing the title of post is accepted here, the slug and the date format, right? You can set a password, but when you set the password, it will be private. Okay, let's set a tag. Let's say we don't need this, so let's say Kennedy Japan, right? And a category, we select a category for that, and this is not uncategorized, on market or uncheck it. So this is politics. This is under politics. Okay, so click on update post. Click on update post. If you want to publish this, now as you can see, if you want to publish this, just click on the edits. As I taught you the difference between the edit and the quick edit. Now we are ready to publish our post. Instead of this, you can set a featured video, but no need for this post. Now click on publish, publish. Now this is our first post, and this is the link that you're gonna share to your friends. Now refresh the page and see how it will be. Right. I hope it's very clear, very simple. And these are the blocks. Okay, you have 4 blocks, and the top header should contain 5. So we have 5 remaining posts to fill this page, these tabs. Okay, these blocks. Sorry. Now click on this is our first post as a beginner. Now refresh the page. This is very large. You can resize it, and you can click on the share. Let me teach you one thing. When you are here, okay, you will not see WhatsApp and other social media links as the share buttons or social media handles. Let me put it that way. But when you are using mobile device, you will see that. Okay, you will see that. You see WhatsApp and other social media handles there, so that you can share the post to your friend on WhatsApp. But you know something? I'll make a duplicate on this. Okay. No. Okay. Let me publish the different post. All right. Let me copy another post Occupy GH sites. You have OMG woman, so blah blah blah. This is about entertainment, so we're gonna do this. I hope Occupy GH will pardon me for this. Copy this for sake of this tutorial. Add new post. Title. And this is the main article. Copy that. Make sure you don't copy adverts. All right. But I recommend you preparing your article before the lesson gets started. Before we start, as you can see, I copied everything. So if you copy this, Occupy GH can see you for this, or due to copyrights. When you do this, you do copyright infringement, right? But I hope they'll pardon me for this, as we are all brothers and we are all in the tech industry, right? Guys are so right. So let me copy it again. Okay, let me repeat Canada Japan's post. No more copy. All right. So let me open the notepad and copy everything here. Although it doesn't match, is it? All right, it doesn't match. Oh, this is very short. I only copy the title. Okay, no problem. Now let me copy it from here. Okay. Perfect. Now refresh the page, and the featured image, let me set the same. Okay, let me set the same. I haven't prepared articles yet. All right, fully charged. Let me unplug my charger. Perfect. Now I have to delete this. So all right, now let's use Canada Japan's title. It's gonna be Ken Japan, Honorable Kennedy. Copy this, paste here. Set featured image, right? As I undo the action, the post, I have to copy it again, right? Copy, paste. Here we go. Now let's change the category, right? This, for example, this is entertainment. local news, politics, and this also set to sports. Make sure it matches what you're doing, right? So let's publish this post right now. Now let's go to the home page. I think it has completed. Right now, as you can see something here, we can add another menu. That's the custom link as home. Let's do it right now. Now we have our post here. Here we go. Now here is our second post. Now as you can see, so we would like to maintain this. This is a must watch video. We will change this, alright? Okay. So what we're gonna do next is create a custom link that's home, so that it will appear first here. Now go to pages, add new page. But wait, let's set this first, menu, then we create a custom link, right? So let's copy this because we're gonna set a URL for that. Copy. Now scroll down, custom links, HTTPS. So this is the URL of the link that we're gonna set. In the text, link text is home. Add to menu. Now drag it to the top. Drag it to the top. Save the menu. Refresh the page. As you can see, so this is a custom link, right? So what we're gonna do is create a new page, right? You don't have a page yet. You're gonna set the advertising page, blah blah blah, or whatever, terms and conditions and everything. So our first page is all right. The title, add page title. So here is gonna be contact us, and I'll teach you how to add a contact form to this page. Right? Don't worry. I will introduce a plugin called Contact Form 7. So please use, let me short everything, the form below to contact us. Okay, now you can set a featured image, but this is not the post, although you can do this, but click on the publish. Now we've published it, but we won't see it, okay, because you've not created any hyperlink for this, right? When you click on this, it will refresh the page to you as I indicate a hash sign, right? So you change this. There's the link, so you have to copy the link, or as you can see now, contact -us, copy, okay, then change that. You can simply go to the customizer, page customizer, and do that. Now for sake of the contact form, let's go to the plugins and add new. Now here too, we are in the customizer. Customizer. Now go to menus, right? Go to menus, main navigation, and that's contact. Now, oh no, sorry, we set it for the top header menu and the footer, right? So this here is it. So change the URL and paste the copied one, right? Contact us. Now what you do is just publish it. So now when we click on this, you can test it right from here. It will send us to the contact us page, right? Now as you can see, and here's the text that I typed. Okay, so let's close this, go back to the plugins. We have a plugin called search for contact form 7. So we're gonna create our first contact form. Now click on the install button. Here, this WP forms is also another way of creating a contact form. It's another plugin. But when you are installing any plugin from WordPress, uh, check for the rate, okay, and the number of installations, right? But I prefer using the contact form 7 because it is compatible for this theme. So click on activate. So wait while it is activating. Now let's change the favicon. All right, it's very small, so go to the customizer. Right now we've activated the theme, the plugin, so we go to the contact form 7. Here's it, contact. So we don't have any contact yet, right? We don't have any contact form. So what we would do here is click on the add new. Okay, let's go to the contact forms first, and here we go, customizer is here. Let's change this. So go to the site identity, set site icon, select site icon. Select site icon. Right, and here is the logo. Crop the image, okay, so that it will look something like look big. Yeah, quite big now, so that everyone can see. Right, so here we go. So this is as an app icon here. This is how it will be, and check here. So just move this. I like it in this way so that the Ghana flag will show. Right, just crop it. Here are the white spaces. Set it well. Now I think this good, and we crop it, shift it a little bit. Right, now click on the crop image, crop it, cropping. As you can see, now we've changed the site icon. Now this is very nice, as you can see, guys. So click on the publish. Right, let's close this page. Now here is the shortcode that we're gonna do. All right, if you want to set a contact form, this by default this is our contact form. Why this contact form 1? So click on the edit if you want to add more fields to the form. Okay, so here is the contact. Now we have our label. If you are familiar with HTML, you understand this, right? We have our placeholder, that's your name, and label, title, close, right? So what we will do is just copy the short code and paste it in the contact page, right? So here we go. Now wait, let me show you the configurations here. When you click on the mail, the mail will send to this email, right? When someone enter a message, the email to be sent to is info@beautyisblessing.com, and I like this. I don't want to change this. And from beauty is blessing, you can change it. That's the from. Let me show you here. For example, supposing you've received an inbox, right? Inbox, as you can see, this is GoDaddy, right? So this is from beauty is blessing. This is how it will be, right? I remember I sent an email to myself for the testing email. So let me scroll down and see. No, I've deleted the email. All right, here's it. That's beauty. So there's a test image, test email, right? This is the subject and everything. So we're gonna maintain this. We are going to maintain this right now. Additional headers are here. Reply to your email, that's the user's email, right? And we have SMTP server configuration, but we shall talk about this in my next video, right? So this is the shortcode that we're gonna copy, right? So contact form, blah blah blah. So copy this, copy, right? Now scroll down. As you can see, this email was being sent from blah 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 https. So maintain this. If you wanna do little, if you wanna do any customization, you can do. We will talk about the email later, right? And message is thank you for your message. So this is the sender's message was sent successfully, right? So if the image if the message is being sent successfully, what should display? So we should output or print out thank you, your message has been sent, right? So you can change it, to whatever you like. Thank you for your message, it has been sent. So if the sender's message is failed to send, now there was an error trying to send your message, please try again later. You can change it anytime you want, blah blah blah, but I'll maintain this. So now we have additional settings here. This is code snippet, right? If you can use CSS very well, you can do that. Now I would like to add your phone number to this, because we have your name, you get your name, your email, your subject, and your message. So we will do another session here that saying your phone number, right? So label, if you are familiar with HTML, you understand. Your phone number, so required is the attribute. Okay, required attribute means that you can never skip it, so you should require it. All right, oh sorry, it's because of the tab key wrongly pressed. Okay, so now let's go here, then square bracket and type phone, right? The placeholder is gonna be your phone number, um number, and then here we go. So close your label tag, label. All right, now click on save button. All right, and here we go. So contact form saved. Now let's go to the page, right? So pages, all pages. When you go there, just paste the short link, right? It's very simple to do this. When doing this, doesn't require much technical knowledge. So just paste it here, right? Yeah, you just paste here, right? You have more settings here, but just paste here. Okay, now update. Now let's try to go to the contact page. Now as you can see, oh, I made a mistake here, right? So we have your email, your everything, and blah 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 blah. So we will test this email, but after teaching you how to set up your email address or account, I'll show you the message. Now your name, blah blah blah, then your email, blah blah blah. Now I'll delete this. Okay, I'll customize it or change it, right? Okay, so let's go back to WordPress dashboard. Okay, perfect. Now go to contact forms, or you can choose to add new, right? Oh, contact form, sorry. And here we go. Now edit it, scroll down, this contact, what was wrong here? Space, Yeah, save it. Now I'm back here, refresh the page. Still there's an error. Wait. Okay, I think, okay, all right. So we should use the text field, right? That's the text area. All right. So the text area is for the text area is for using, is meant for the message area. Okay, so we shouldn't have used font. If I should use this, then I should use instead of checkbox, right, or the radio buttons. So this is set to text because phone number we're gonna text it, but I just want to validate it. That's why. So let's see if it will work. If it doesn't work, then I'm here for nothing. So we are doing this tutorial to help you guys. Now refresh the page and see how it will be. Now as you can see guys, here we go. So your phone number required. You can't leave it empty. Now what we're gonna do is setting up our email account, right? So here is the game. Now let's try to delete these images. Delete this because we don't like it. Delete. Yes, delete them permanently. Okay, now so to create your email, you have to go to your account dashboard. Okay, so let's go to Namecheap and log in to uh, our account, right? So we're gonna create a new email there. Here too we can create our email. Let's scroll down. We have you can do this simply in the cPanel. Go to the email account, right? So here are the number of email we have. Now as you can see guys, so if you want to create an email account, just click on the create. Okay, but for now this is the default one and this is the one I'm using currently. So click on the check email. Okay, connect devices. If you want to connect to your mobile phone, and here is how you can manage your email, right? So check mail. So we have server 281.webhosting.com slash blah blah blah. So we have our webmail login, and we have three blue Namecheap offers you three email web services, right? So we have Roundcube, we have Squirrel, okay, but Bluehost offers three. All right, and I have purchased what do you call it? I have purchased premium accounts for this website, okay, and this is also info at beautyisblessing.com, but I will not use it. I would like to use the one here, right? But the other one is more user friendly than this, but also this is user friendly, and this is the webmail home, right? So let's create a new email so that you can see what I'm trying to mean. So let's say here this email will be hello@beautyisblessing.com. You cannot change this, okay, but with this you can use your Gmail instead. Okay, you can use your Gmail if you want to receive the email from the messages from your website through your Google account or Google email. All right, so what we're gonna do is create a new, enter password. Here I recommend you generating one strong password. All right, and storage space 250 gig unlimited, and you can set in here any what do you call it, storage. Yeah, so click on create. Never. Now we have hello at currentingghana.com. I I set a storage size for this for about 250 megabytes, but this is unlimited. As you can see, the infinity sign. Okay, and with my account you can create about 28 email account, right? As you can see, guys, but I am using 2. So click on check mail. This round cube web mail login. So we're gonna log in. Yeah, here we go. So open your inbox. With this, when you are setting for your phone, but leave it empty, I'll show you on your phone. I'll do that on my phone. Okay, so we have Hodge. Yes, Bluehost offer this. Round cube, yeah, and Squirrel. This company doesn't offer Squirrel. All right, so if you want to set this as default, let me show you how the Hodge interface look like. Open. There's the round cube. Okay, for the hello at for the info at beautyisblessing.com, and this is the Hodge interface. Yeah, here's the Hodge interface. So just choose what looks nice for you, what you think is better for you, then you use. But I've marked the round cube as the default one for the hello at for the info at beautyisblessing.com. Yeah, for that email. So let's try to test this mail. So let's send a new email to my to the other email, yeah, to the info at beautyisblessing.com. So info at beautyisblessing.com. Subject: hello there, exclamation. And here is gonna be the message body. So hello Kodia, this is a test email, right? Now send this. Now let's check here. Refreshing. As you can see, the page is refreshing automatically. Let's go to the inbox. As you can see, you have one inbox here. Yeah, we see the message from hello at beautyisblessing.com. Okay, you can use your Gmail, and let us try replying to this message and see how it will be. Okay, scroll down. You have SMTP port is 465. Don't change anything here, please. All right, so let's go ahead and reply to this message. Email call. So let's do the configuration first. Let's maintain it. Okay, by default. Yeah, let's maintain it. Now you can delete this or blah blah blah. Now, okay, there is no problem with that. Okay, there's no problem with that. Call this. Okay, then if you want to attach any file, yeah, you can attach. Let's try to attach a photo, right? Okay, let's go to the desktop where my images are. Go to scroll. Let me scroll. Okay, go to the new folder, church flyer, resources, pics. I'll try to upload, send my logo. Okay, scroll down. Let's try to upload my own picture. Attach my picture. Now, as you can see, uploading file. The file of the image is about 8 megabytes or so. So let's wait while it's upload. As you can see, let me mark there and see. Hope you see, right? As you can see, guys, 39%. But by the time I remove the marker, I think it should be 90% or so. All right, uploaded. Yeah, as you can see, 7.1 megabyte file. Now you have to send the mail. Okay, you have to reply now. Send, as you can see, sending message. Message sent successfully. So let's check. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, inbox 1. It should be 2. By now it should be 2. Refresh. Okay, yeah, as you can see, guys. So here we go. This is the new email. Now, in replying to this, images have been blocked in this message part. Show images. Click blah 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 blah. So as you can see, guys, so here's the image that I sent. So I recommend you using the round cube. Round cube is very nice. User interface nice. Alright, so I hope you guys saw how to create a mail and email account, right? So let's try to test this for Gmail too, whether it will work. I'll use the round cube. That's for hello beauty is blessing. Now let me log into the other one. That's the info. Okay, so check email. Check email. Webmail login. Okay, so let's send a message to my email, the Google email, right? That's giwistechsolutions@gmail.com. So 2 is giwistechsolutions@gmail.com. Hello guys, this is a test email, right? Let's send it straight forward. Subject is empty. Sorry. Now you should not leave it empty, right? To testing. Send message. Sending message. Now should wait for a while because Google Mail servers use different SMTP. Now go to the inbox. It may take some time because due to the network or SMTP. Now as you can see, info, right? The message is from info. So see how this testing. Hello guys, this is a test email. It works. So we've replied. Google added this. Message sent. You should see message sent. Now refresh this page. In replying to this, should wait for a while. Okay. Today. The message hasn't been arrived yet, so you should wait a while. It worked. Here's the configuration mail. Okay, now we will check this later. Yeah, so here's the inbox testing. In reply to testing, right? It works. Now here we go. So this is how we set up email accounts for your website. Right? Let me close this thing. I'll work on it later. So guys, as you can see, so you can change this anytime you want. You can change your email Google mail. So now let's test this page. Okay, so let's say your name is George Kwame Frimpong. Email, let me use my own email, techdavchannel@gmail.com. phone number 0543482188, blah 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 blah. Now here's a phone number, and subject support. Now let's type the message body. Hello, iWorld. Please, I want to learn WordPress tutorial. Now this is my trademark. Now send. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. So let's check the email. Now you send through the info, okay? So check mail. Now as you can see, this message is from Beauty is Blessing in support. So here's the message body from George Kwame Frimpong, and here is the email address. So if you want to reply it, the reply will go to the techdavchannel@gmail.com. Okay, and I have the email here, so I'll log in after replying to the message. And the message body said to hello iWorld, please, I want to learn WordPress tutorial. So let's reply to the message. Let us reply to the message now. Okay, thanks for reaching us. Please, could you tell us what you need? This is just a test reply, okay? Test reply. Now send this. Let's go to the email. Let me log in. Another account. I log into my email address, email account. So here we go. techdavchannel@gmail.com. No, I didn't enter well. Let me change this. Use another account. techdavchannel@gmail.com. You enter our password. Login. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay, now remember. Now as you can see, we've logged in. So we need to verify the email. So let me verify. Okay, yeah, so get verification code to my phone number because OTP. Now the message has been arrived, 7755 and 53 login. So here we go. Now what we're gonna do is check for the go to our Gmail, right? Click on the Gmail button here, the link here, and as you can see, we will see the reply very soon once it's load. Now as you can see, info, right? Beauty's blessing support, blah blah blah. Now as you can see, hello iWorld, this was your message. Okay, thanks for reaching us, blah 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 blah. So what is the piece? Thank you, I will let you know. Thank you for your response. Let me use this to reply. Message sent, sent. Now it might take some time, right? Okay, the reply will be arrive very soon. It will arrive very soon. All right, so we will get back to it later. So I hope you guys understand what I taught. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is Elementor, right? Elementor is just a plugin used for building pages. Don't worry about this empty space. It's just an advert, right? Yeah, by default Google AdSense will place it when you apply for it. Now let's install a plugin called uh, Elementor, right? It is a page builder. We will okay. Now Jetpack is another plugin that we're gonna use. So install Jetpack. Jetpack is a plugin that give you the statistics, related posts, search engine optimization, and everything about your website. So click on activate, and after this, we're gonna talk about the Elementor. I have the premium one, the Elementor. I have the premium version of Elementor. So you install it. So set up Jetpack. We talk about this later. Add new and search for Elementor. Right, Elementor page builder. Click on install button. Let me install all the required plugins for this tutorial. Okay, we will install Site Kit for AdSense, because after applying for AdSense, you're gonna with WordPress you have to copy some codes in the header tag, but you because of beginners tutorial, because of this course, you're gonna use the plugin called Sitekit by Google. There are more plugins out there. We have advanced ads, and it's also very simple, easy to use. So let me log into my email here before we can continue. currentingana@gmail.com. You can reach me there too. Yeah, so let me log in. So currentingana@gmail.com, and I enter my password. Now as you can see guys, we are logging into our email. Here's Roundkeep, we got notification. Here's the reply, as you can see guys. Oh, thanks for reaching us. Please could you tell, oh yeah. Let's wait for the reply. I think the reply is here. Forget about this. So here is our email. So we first talk about the Elementor first. Okay, site plugin is now activated. Now after that we set up Jetpack. Okay, now what we will do is activate the Elementor. Right, you get a new tab here. Okay, so welcome to Elementor. Create your first page. You can create every post you want using the Elementor. Okay, so we have Elementor here. Let's scroll down. Here's Elementor, right? So go pro. Now you have the premium here. I have the premium one. So in the link, I'll post the link in the description of the video so that you can download it for free. Now we go to plugins, add new. Without this Elementor, the one that you're gonna upload will not work. Okay, you have to get this before you can install what I'm gonna give you. So choose file, and wait, let me search here because I've forgotten the location. Elementor, here we go. Open file location, and here's the file location. Copy the address, close that, choose file, then you paste it here, enter, and here is Elementor Pro, so double click on it and install it now. Now as you can see, it is uploading, right? Now we've uploaded we have uploaded the Elementor Pro, right? So we're gonna build activate the plugin. We're gonna build our first page using Elementor. Elementor is very easy to use and it's very professional way of creating. It's a professional way of creating a page, okay, a post with a home page or any page that you wanna create. You can use the Elementor, right? So as you can see, getting started, lines and everything, all that. So let's try to customize a post that we recently post with the Elementor, right? Let's try to change this, customize this a little bit. So click on the edit. When you go there, you see edit with Elementor. Let's check the number of views that we got, because this is a new website and I'm not sure you're gonna get any view from this post. You get one view. Date post by Amako. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, you have edit with Elementor. But do you know something? You can change your post style. As you can see the style, the template, okay, but I like the default one. Edit with Elementor. So we are going to Elementor, so post updated. As you can see, let me close this and go back to the main page. So as you can see, Elementor is loading. We're gonna build awesome page with Elementor. So if you don't purchase the Elementor version, there are some features that you need to purchase the Elementor. Without purchasing it, you cannot get access to some features, okay? But I've installed the Pro version for this, and therefore I have the authority to use all the features, right? As you can see, none has been restricted. None of it has been restricted. You can add progress bar, toggle cases, and blah blah blah. Here's the featured image. So if you wanna, let's say, add a video here, okay, a video from YouTube, you can add, search for video, okay, as you can see, drag, and where is the video coming from, the source of the video. If it is from Dailymotion, self-hosted video, or Vimeo, we can do, but it is from YouTube. So let's go to YouTube, let's go to our channel and post a link or a video there. Just copy the link and paste it there. I would like to promote the video by supporting channel, that's Cody and Godfrey's channel. So I would like to paste that link there. If you want to learn mathematics, if you want to learn any course about mathematics, just click on the link that I'm gonna paste it there. So search Godfrey Kodia now. Now as you can see, we have a video here. Now 193 subscribers. Our recent video is logical reasoning. So just copy the link here. Let me pause the video to avoid much noise. Just copy, okay, as you can see, copy. As you can see, like the video now, paste the link here, right? Start time. If you want to set your preferred time for when the video should start, you can enter here. But my case is my recommendation for you is use the autoplay, so that if you want to promote any video in your website, immediately the user click on the links, he or she will realize that what is playing there, so let me check it out. So click on the autoplay. I would like to do this, and now you can see it will start playing the video. As you can see, to play the video, when I refresh the page, you can choose to loop it. Looping means when the video ends, start again. When the video ends, start again. Right, now go to the main page, and I would like to what do you call it, display some recent posts. So posts, okay, posts, so that all users, I'm doing this because of search engine optimization. Archive post. I will do a video tutorial on search engine optimization with Yoast. Okay, now drag this and paste it here, drop it here. Now recent post, I'm doing this because of search engine optimization. I'll tell you why I do this. Recent post, yeah, I don't like to, I would like to use the same title. Oh yeah. So just scroll down. If you want to add more features, let's say if you want to add toggle, let's add toggle, right? Apply, click on apply changes to page. Right, perfect. Now if you want to insert an image, just drag wherever you want to paste the image. Okay, no need, I don't like any image. If you want to set what do you call it, a form or whatever, button, blah 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 blah, whatever, heading, you can post it here, paste it here, drop it here. As you can see, guys, if you wanna drop icon, you can drop icon here, right? You can upload your own icon or icon, go to the icon library, as you can see, guys. So there are many things that you can do with Elementor, but in the course of this tutorial, I will show you, in the next tutorial, I will show you how to do all this. Let me undo that because I've deleted the whole post. Okay, so what you do is you shouldn't update it. Okay, when you make any mistake in Elementor, just don't save it. Okay, yeah, don't save it, so that your post will still remain there. Okay, so this is an auto save of this post and blah 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 blah. So let's go to the Elementor again. Now as you can see, when I refresh this page, still the post remains, as you can see, guys. So I'm gonna promote a video, as I already told you guys. Right, so let's search for video, drag. I would like to post, drop it at the bottom of the post, drop. Yes, copy the link, paste, and autoplay set to on, updates. Now scroll down, you can do anything here you want, price list or blah 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 blah. Whilst you're reading the post, you have to what do you call it, do something that the user will click on it. Okay, so recent post, I would like to drop the recent post feature here. Now yes, here it will be okay. Right, so click on apply. Number of posts to show, let me reduce it to 3. Okay, it has been saved, so no need to do anything else. Now you can change here, you can change the colors of the posts and everything. Okay, you can give a link to a specific, let's say if you for search engine optimization. When I want to do this, I just want to click on insert link and paste a link. So let's say, where did I copy the post from? Well, let's say I want to link to the same post. Okay, so paste it, click on the settings, and the same website. I'm not teaching you SEO here, so I will not do this. I'll create a video tutorial on that, a separate video, right? If you want to upload heading, insert a heading, you can do that. So this is how Elementor works. I'll also make a video tutorial on Elementor, right? So click on updates, so refresh the page and see how it will be. I'm done with Elementor for now. I'll make a video tutorial on Elementor separately, right? So as you can see, immediately you refresh the page, the video will start playing, right? Autoplay, I said to autoplay, but I think it didn't work. It might be the browser I'm using, that's the Google Chrome. So you can see the page, so you can build an awesome page, right? So as you can see that we have a video in this page, or on this page, right? So let's scroll to the top, right? So thank you for watching this tutorial. Once again, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share the video. I'll do a separate video on how to link Google AdSense. And if you get 1,000 views for this particular video, I'm gonna continue. But if you are not able to get 1,000 views on this video, I'm not gonna continue. And AdSense, Google AdSense is the case, and is the case for all beginners. Yeah, I think everyone that creates a website or blog website due to AdSense. You wanna earn much money, you wanna earn money and blah 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 whatever. So if you wanna earn money on your website, just stay tuned on IWT. Information World Tech is a website about technology. My name is Daniel from Information World Tech, and I am the CEO and founder of IWT. Okay, so if you wanna hook me up, just check my social media handles, right? And all links I said in the video will be in the description of the video, right? So just stay tuned on Information World Tech. You can hook me up on www.informationworldtech.com, right? And we offer you great mathematics course on Information World Tech. If you want to learn mathematics, we have experts to teach you mathematics. And if you want to learn to the experts, since we are a team of experts, you can go to our channel. That's Coding to God First channel. Yes, here is the channel. You can go to the channels page. Now, as you can see down, we have a tutorial for SHS, we have a tutorial for tertiary, and everyone. So just request for the video, just request for the topic that you want, right? We're gonna do a video tutorial on it. We have list of playlists. We have core maths, elective maths for high school students in West Africa, right? So if you want to learn mathematics, this I recommend you learning it right from Godfred Korea's channel. Now here is the website. Let me go to the information. Here is our website, iwordtext.com. So when you visit it, here is how you learn the mathematics. We've created a menu for that. And when you go to the website, you have iwordtext.com/categories, and then category is the mathematics. Go to the mathematics session. Here's the mathematics session. Yeah, uh, this is push up pop-up notification. I'll teach you how to do this only if you could get me 1,000 views on a video. Now, okay, click on allow. When you visit the website, enter your name. Let's say George Kwame Frimpong is your name, and the email is rakusfm@gmail.com, and you should click on accept terms and conditions. Subscribe to the website so that you receive notifications whenever we post a new article. So here is the website that I'm talking about. Here is the mathematics page, right? So you have partial derivatives as well as partial differentiation for universities. Now, as you can see, we have partial derivatives as well as partial differentiation. Example 1. When you click on it, I think it's, yeah, you get a video version. Yes. And here we go, right? Example 1 is here. Yeah, so we have polynomial functions for SHS1 students. And here we go. We have Android app development course. In our website, here is the tutorial that I was talking about. As you can see, polynomial functions and everything. But this website is not just about technology, but we also teach mathematics here. If you wanna learn, if you are looking for the best place to learn mathematics, here is the place. All right. Okay. So here is the website, and here is the channel that I was talking about. All right. So very soon you create a forum, right? A forum that you can discuss about topics here. And if you wanna discuss about the topic, just go to community.iworldtext.com. Okay, community.iworldtext.com. So here is our forum page. All right, if you want to discuss any topic, just come to this page. Right, we have a C++ forum which was created about a week ago. We have programming, no topics, C++. As you can see, guys. So here's it. Here are the number of people replying to these messages. Okay, so I'll drop the link in the description of the video. And once again, I'm repeating this: if you get me 1,000 or 1K views on this video tutorial, I'm gonna shine your light. I'm gonna give you plugins for free, premium things for free, and everything for free. Thank you for taking this course once again. Subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to share the video. Comment below if you wanna add any contribution to the video. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you.